Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. See, today I have received a laptop. It's a HP model. Generation, no idea. It's a 14-KBL. Okay, just I will show you. So 14-KBL. Particular model number is Granger 6050A 2977601-MB-A02. See, I'll tell you the story of this particular motherboard. This is from customer side. Actually, this is from our vendor side. Our technician. One of the technician has given. The story is water damage. This particular motherboard having water damage, but the service engineer cleaned all I/O and so many places. He showed me actually here. Somewhere he cleaned all the things. Okay, but he is telling one time it will display comes, after that just it will be keep on, and after that it won't on. No display, power on, no display case. It displays, but after some times again it will restart and there will be no power on. Okay, in this case what I have to do, impedance we should not check. See, almost all cases will come to us, these kind of cases. Okay, in this case how we can solve it, or maximum we can try for troubleshooting, solve the problem issues. Let me check what he told. I connected to keyboard. I will show you. Display will come or not, that I don't know, but amp I will show you. Okay, now I am going to connect keyboard. I will show you. See, I am connecting. See, in this case need not to check all coil voltage, because all coil voltages are good, right? Because he told display will come. In the sense, need not to check all section. It's not section wise issue. Just a minute. I will take converter. Converters. Wait. See, I am going to connect now. Now switching on the motherboard. See, switched on and off. It's trying to go 100 and something. So see, it's increasing, slowly increasing, keep on increasing. Once it reaches 100, it will again come back to normal. So there is no on. Okay, let us check the motherboard. What he has done, once again we need to check thoroughly. See, once again I will switch it on. It's running. Amp 85960. See, it's trying to increase, but again cut off. Right. See, if you are getting this kind of problem, what you people will do? That I don't know, but anyway, what we will do, that I will show you. First, you have to disconnect this, and next what he has given clue there, we will check. Fan also I'll disconnect. This is the IO side. Any damages? So very clear. No pins or damages here. Fully clean, or he may be cleaned. See, the track is good only. The components also looking good. Not damaged. Double 600. This is CPU coil. Somewhere, see, he told something he did. Here may be the problem. See, one track. I will explain you. I am not confirmed, but generally I will telling you. See. Here is the track. This is the track. Here track got burnt or not, that I don't know. Maybe some component was there. Due to that water damage, he might be removed, I think so, but no idea. The main issue is here we don't have schematic. See, many components are there, but we don't have schematic. In this case, what I have to do, multiple tricks are there. I already explained to our PLC students. So one of the tricks I am going to do it here. Today, see, in all places it's good only. There is no burnt or removed component are there here. Track also very nice. It's very good. This side. One time I will observe all the things, okay? Okay, I do one thing. First we got something right. So first we need to check it. I will remove the heatsink. Let me check what could be the possibilities. The track from where it has come. Actually, see, already one trick I informed to our PLC students, but just I can't tell this exact trick. But general trick, one of that trick I am going to explain you people. Okay, multiple are there, but one trick I am going to explain you people. See, in this case, this particular motherboard, see, all the cases same won't be there. Okay, here I am showing in YouTube, but same case you won't get, but similar cases you can get. In that case, what you people can do, the possibilities I'm telling. That one, in this case, first I'll check this track. from where to where it has come. See, one thing I'm sure, here is an IC, right? Which one? U66000. This is the one. Okay. RT3602A. RT3602A. It may be connected here somewhere. Okay, in this particular IC. Here I am telling sure because this track is here only, nearby to this components. See, one track is connected to this register and it has come to here somewhere or here somewhere. There continuity I will check. Okay, one by one I will check. These are our patience work because it's advanced level services. Okay, in hurry we can't do. We should be have patience. See, somewhere here I got beep. See, from here this register, right? No. Yes. See, this one is connected to this. This one is connected to this, and this one is not ground. One we got opposite side connected here only. Yes, this one. Oh, there's a ground. This track is connected to ground, right? So here one idea we found. See, this is one of the tricks in advanced level what we are doing, but I can't tell all because paid students also will be there. For them I'll be going to teach all the things. Here exactly what component will come, but the thing is we don't have exact schematic here. See, this is the schematic number, but for this model we don't have. In this case I will pause the video for some times and I will come back. This is one of the trick. Let me check. See here what I have done, so I will explain you. So let me zoom the camera. This is the path. See, here 2 resistor I have put. Don't get afraid why I put like this, because track was damaged. This particular track belongs to this. Okay, it was got cut, so that's why ear to ear. That actually here it's directly connected to the CPU IC. So year to year I put minimum 10k register. Okay, 100k also I can put, but for testing purpose I put 10k. And here also this track, see this track, these two are connected each other. This is connected here, somewhere here, here I think so. This one was giving beep here and here. So let me check. This is 10k and this is 10k. This is different track. Here and here it's connected, and this one is connected here. Actually this is entirely different track. And here this is the ground. Okay, need not to worry about that. But this track, see this track has come here. So let me check what will be the result. I'll put heat sink, because while giving supply anything can be happen, anything will be happening. So that's the reason, for safer side I'll put heat sink. Screws, yes, here I got. If anybody having these kind of motherboards, please send us, we can repair it at any cost. At least we will try the maximum level. Except the reballing case, we will handle all the motherboard. No powering on case or no display case, all maximum problems we can solve it. See, this board has come with, what is it, water damage. Okay, our technician given us, because he tried much and for him it's not possible. I mean, he didn't he tried all the things, he didn't get any result. So that's why he sent. He was telling display was coming and it was something, what is it, after some times only white light was blinking. But when it has come to me, there is no ampere increase. It will be increasing up to 100, and after that it will be restart. See, now I will show you the what DC machine. I will connect first. Okay, now I will show you the DC machine. See what is the reading, 19.5 volts, and here I am switching on. Here is the on button. Okay, now let me check. Ampere somehow it came. Here light still blinking, fan rotating. Ampere, one time it's got shut down. Yes, second time it started. Let me check the display has come or not. Now amp is around 400 something. See, I am connecting here. See, it's now shut down. Again restarted. See, I'm keep on pressing. Yes, yes, yes. Display we got. It will restart 2-3 times. See, multiple times it restarted, because it will show RTC error section and all. So after that again it will restart. So might have done that one. Now display is the constant. I will see for a while. Display is constant. Display is constant. Display is constant. Nothing else. This board got ready 100%. Okay, like this we'll do without schematic also. If you have anybody having this kind of problems, if you can't do, please send us. I'll give all the details. Once it got ready, we'll send it back as soon as possible, but we won't take much time. This one or 2 days, I think so. I was very busy, so I couldn't check that. Today only I saw this problem got solved. Okay, once again it's connected, still it is in on position. Thank you very much.